I can't breathe now. I can't breathe now. One more time. I can't breathe now. One more time. I can't breathe now.
I'm now going to introduce Dr. Cook. He's the superintendent here. Thank you all.
I'm going to read a couple names before I dig deeper into my personal feelings. Trayvon Martin, Michael Brown, Alton Sterling, Botham Jean, Atiana Jefferson, Ahmaud Arbery, George Floyd, just a few who have lost their lives by police brutality or by people who are in authority. So personally, as a man of color, I think it's very important, again, I'm speaking for myself, that I live this every day. Many of you live this every day, driving your cars, walking down the street, minding your business, just doing things, and sometimes you are targeted at particular points in your lives. So with this recent incident that happened, it kind of put the icing on the cake when people said, enough is enough. And thank you again for our group, enough is enough, and I have a sign that says enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
It's time that we hold our government officials accountable, each and every person who runs for office, for change in policy, change in tactics, culture, diversity, training, the list goes on. As a school district official, it's important that we teach our children, the next generation, because they're going to pick up the torch and they're going to carry it, move it along, to treat people with love, respect at all times, to respect diversity, to respect one another no matter who you are, because we all are people, okay? So that's very important that we teach the next generation the right way.
These words were written in 1787. 233 years later, we are still waiting for these words to apply to everyone in this country. Today, we are still dreaming of a day where we live in a nation where our children won't be judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character. As of today, every state in the U.S., as well as many countries, have protested in some way to show support for the Black Lives Matter movement, specifically as a response to the recent killing of George Floyd. Today, we are proud to see so many people in our community who are now a part of what is now being called the biggest civil rights movement in the world. Rosa Parks simply wanted a seat in the front of the bus. Dr. King and many others simply wanted integration and for people to understand that separate is not equal. Today we are marching to continue their work. We will continue to stand up and to speak on all the social and economic injustices that continue to occur. I'm here today to say, stop seeing black as a weapon and see it as beautiful. I'm here today to say, please don't raise your children to not see color. Raise them to see color and the beauty in it. Enough is truly enough. We have seen enough names that have become hashtags with the words rest in peace and justice for attached to them. We have seen enough police get away with murder, and we damn sure have seen enough black mothers and fathers cry. As you march today, remember this is for all the Trayvon Martins so they can enjoy their Skittles and iced tea, so that the Breonna Taylors and Aiyana Jones can go to sleep and wake up the next morning, so that all the Oscar Grants can make it to their next New Year's Eve party, the Ahmaud Arbery's can go jogging, the Keith Lamonts can sit and read a book, and so that all the Sean Bells can make it to their wedding. Today we remember them, we pray for them, and we fight for them. Thank you.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.